Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being priced below the average market price. Features also include premium sound system, rear view camera, third row seating, hands-free Bluetooth integration, 3-zone climate control. With these ratings, we are pleased to show you the 2015 Traverse. Chevy Traverse is more stylish than minivans and far more fuel and space efficient than truck-based SUVs. Crossovers like the Traverse are excellent family vehicles. This vehicle has less than 80,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, steel wheels, FWD, headlights auto off, mirror memory, mirrors power, passenger, backup camera, cruise control. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.